Hello folks, welcome to Lester's Custom Truck Shop. Author C in Virginia. This is your LesComm improved Magnum 1. Show you some of the things I've done inside of it. Add hot glue around the jumpers that the Palomar engineers install. Okay, and the little modifications that they made. Add some hot glue around it to keep them from moving around and breaking. Alright, I've also upgraded your voltage regulator buffer filter from a 1000 microfarad to a 3300 microfarad. Same thing with the DC input buffer filter. I've upgraded it from a 1000 to a 3300. Okay, I've also added the hot glue to the back of the power jack. I've said before, had complaints about folks using aftermarket power cables pushing the pins out of the back of the power connector. Haven't had any more complaints since I started putting the hot glue on it back there. It keeps the pins from being pushed out. Okay, I've also done the option 3 mod and went through and tuned and peaked the radio. Okay, those little blue marks that you see on all of the VRs are marks that I put on there to know where it was set. Okay, but I went through and adjusted the transmitter section, peaked it out. I adjusted the bias on all 3 finals. Actually, there's 2 bias adjustments, that one and that one. Okay, that one adjusts the bias for the pre-driver. That one adjusts the bias for the 2 finals. Alright. Okay, let me get it all hooked up and I'll show you the receive and the transmit. More to come. Okay, got it hooked up to my signal generator. We're on channel 1. And you can see I got a S9 signal there. On these radios, the noise blinker is actually noise blinker and automatic noise limiter all built into one switch. Alright. Okay, that's the plus 10 KC. And now if you want the high cut, press the function and then press high cut. That's so nice. Okay, let me turn. Alright, that's on the 300 microvolt scale. That's 300, 200, 100. I've got it turned down to 10 microvolts. You can see we still have a little over an S5, about between an S5 and an S7 on the signal. So these radios have really hot receivers. Turn it back up to 100 microvolts. Okay. Really, really good receivers in these radios. Now let me switch to an external antenna. Well, actually, let's do the power first. I've got a power mic wired up for these, and I do have the connectors for them. I can wire up pretty much any microphone you want to wire up for the radio. Okay, I'm on channel 1. The meter on the left is RMS. The meter on the right is peak. I've got it set on the ×1 scale, which is the center. I have a 100 watt slug in the peak side and a 100 watt slug in the RMS side. Okay, and I've got the power mic turned all the way up. Hello audio, audio hello, 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1. Okay, let me switch to the cantenna and through the bird meter. Hello audio, audio 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1 audio. Be right at 80 watts peak. Dead key in 20 watts. Audio, audio, audio. And that's with RF power turned all the way up. We turn RF power all the way down. See what we're dead keying. Looks like about 8 watts. Audio test, test audio. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Audio test. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Audio test. With the power turned all the way down, you can see that's about 8 watts. Audio, 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 audio. Remember, we're reading on that bottom scale. So the bottom scale goes up to 100 there. So with the power turned all the way down, that's between 6 and 8 watts. So we'll say 7 watts, dead key. Audio, 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 audio. Okay. Now that was on AM. Let's turn RF power up and go to FM. And by the way, folks, this radio has a real FM receiver and transmitter in it. It's not a doctored up AM transmitter. And it does about 40 watts RMS on FM. Okay, let's go to sideband. I have power to mic gain turned up. Let's see, mic. Nope, mic's not. Okay. Now, the way you set the mic, just push the mic button. Click, and you'll see that pop up. 63 is all the way up. One click more, you turn the mic off. Okay? Audio, hello, hello, audio. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Audio. These radios just continue to astonish me. How good they work. This is one of the best radios that's come out in quite a while, actually. It's got a really good receiver. The transmitter is awesome. You'll hear, even with this power mic turned all the way up, okay, people tell me that this thing is crisp and clear. It's because of the built-in compression. This thing has built-in compression circuits. The old Top Gun compression circuits are built into the radio, if I understand correctly. So it works extremely well. Very, very nice radio. Good job, Magnum. Now, I like to see the little one come out. There's another version that's made by the same company that's smaller, has the same features. I sure would like to see that one with a Magnum brand on it. Maybe call it a Magnum 2 or something. But I really like these radios. All right, let me get the covers put back on it, Arthur, and more to come. Okay, here we are back with the covers on it, and I don't remember if I've said lately or not, but these radios have some really, really good covers on them. The covers are nice and thick. In fact, you can probably see how thick the metal is right there where the mounting screw goes. The hole for the mounting screw. See how thick that metal is right there? Radio has some really, really good covers on it. Nice and thick. Good job, Magnum. Okay, I was hoping that maybe we might be able to pick up a little skip or something, but it's about 1800 here in northeast Florida, so we're not hearing anything. Let's see if I can find anything down on the CB band. Nothing but computer noise. There's 38. Nothing. See, RF gain, everything turned all the way up. Yep. Well, apparently we're not going to hear anything. Let me flip on my two radios, see if we're getting anything out of them. I got my N4 set on 38 as well, and nothing. So, sorry about that. Not going to be able to hear anything. Nothing but static anyway. But there it is. Now it's finished the 24-hour burn-in, but while it was burning in, I did make some local contacts, and like I've said before, everybody reports that the audio on this thing is awesome. I have found that the best microphone for these radios, unless you need a noise canceling microphone, is the Astatic Red Devil. This one. Everybody says that it sounds extremely well on this radio. It's got nice punchy audio, but that's partly due because of that compression circuit. Another one, if you need a noise canceling microphone, is the Ranger SRA 158. Okay, that's also a really good microphone. This one. And everybody says that the audio on it sounds really good. Okay, one other one that has a whole bunch of options built into it is the RF Limited 2018 Extreme microphone. I don't have one of those handy. Just sold the last one I had, but it's also another one that sounds good on this radio. Kind of like it was made for it. But RF Limited, Magnum 1, they're all the same companies. Palomar, you know. But there it is. I'm going to leave it set on channel 38 lower sideband. I'm not sure if you're a sidebander or not. If not, you can just put it back on AM. The only thing that to remember is that it's lower upper FM and then AM. Okay? Normally it's AM and then FM, but on this one it's FM and then AM. So you got to click 4 times from lower sideband to get back to AM. Read the manual. There's a lot of information in the manual on this radio. How to set up scan, a lot of the other things, talk back, all that stuff. Really, really nice radio. I think you'll love it. Okay, and all of my eBay buyers, yes, everything done to this radio is included in the one for sale on eBay. My eBay ID is LCTS03. That stands for Lester's Custom Truck Shop 2003. Okay? So LCTS03 is the eBay seller ID. And all of the Magnum ones on eBay get the same mods and upgrades that this one did. Okay? All right. Author, I sure hope you enjoy your new radio. It was my pleasure to set it up for you. 73s, everybody.